Hello my friends and welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this Type I Paracord blue color, and here we have blue and gold also, but joined together, as you can see here. And of course we're going to use the jig and 3/8 buckles. Before we start, if you learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. We're gonna take the shorter strand of blue and we're gonna create the bracelet core. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Okay, so from the top side we're gonna insert our strand. We're gonna pinch it like this, create a little bite, and from the top into the buckle, and then from the top also through the loop, and we created the cow's hitches. Now from here we're gonna pass to the bottom side and insert strand through, pinch it from the back, and then on top of this strand, and from the back through the buckle, from the top through the loop, and cinch it. Now we're going to cut off the excess of cord. And now from this top side we're gonna insert our gold and the blue paracord. So here we created our core strands and working ends. Now we're gonna start. I'm gonna take the blue strand and place it on top of the core strands, then around and from the back I'm gonna pass it through the loop on the left. Then we're gonna tie this. Now we're gonna take the gold one, also place it on top of the core strands, around them and from the back through the loop on the right side, and cinch it. From here we're gonna cross the gold strand to the left side and the blue strand to the right side. So cross those two strands, and with the blue pass it under the first core strand and from the back through the gap between core strands, and then through the loop on the right, cinch it. The gold strand also under the first core strand on the left side, and then from the back through the gap between core strands and through the loop on the left, cinch it or tie it as you wish. Let me zoom a bit more so you can clearly see. Okay, so from here we're going to take the gold strand, place it on top of the core strands, then around and from the back through the loop on the left. Now with the blue one, on top of the core strands, around and from the back through the loop on the right. Now we're gonna cross it again, the blue cord to the right side, the gold cord to the blue cord to the left side, the gold cord to the right side, and then with the gold cord under the core strand, and then from the back through the middle, and again from the top through the loop on the right. Now with the blue under the core strand, from the back through the gap between core strands, and then also through the loop on the left side. So as you see, this is the basic pattern. We're gonna repeat it all the way down. So the blue on top of the core strands, around them and through the loop on the left. The gold on top of the core strands, around and from the back through the loop on the right. Here we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!